Try it first?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Our first morels that we found today, ever. So the first time we're gonna eat them. Okay, let's see your face.
Show me your face. He's not happy at all.
No, it tastes like a chicken nugget actually.
Really? I want to see your face.
Let me see. I'll try this little one.
Let me see.
It does taste like a chicken nugget.
Really?
It's good.
Now I can taste it better. You have to chew it a bit to actually get the taste.
Okay. Right.
Now, you have to try it.
All right. Yeah, tastes like a chicken nugget. It's good. Oh my goodness. Wow. I never expect something like that.
Rosie, come here, try it. It tastes like chicken nuggets.
Remember?
Yeah, we all think this tastes like chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
Here, try it.
Just
Try
try
one.
it. Look.
Try a little one.
This is a veggie chicken nugget. Sit down and enjoy it.
You know, this
Come on.
is like one of the rarest and healthiest mushrooms.
Que acordate que tenemos solo un minuto. What are you doing? Ready?
Go.
Okay. This is like natural
chicken nugget.
Chicken nugget. Try it.
What do you think?
Tastes good, right?
She usually doesn't eat mushrooms, but now...
Why are you making that face?
It tastes weird. I never taste anything like it.
But did you like it or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want more? Yay! It passed the picky test.
This
No, really.
this
For
tastes
me,
like a little bit different than chicken. This tastes like in
My
between
goodness.
chicken and beef. It tastes like in between that.
I never imagined that can be taste like chicken. Wow.